Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Quick middle of the day update. Not too much happened, but we're moving in the expected direction here in this wave 4. We hit support yesterday or today at 1845. Had enough of movement to the downside to consider this small third wave complete. We're now probably in the fourth wave that I indicated in the previous video. We already measured the resistance area for the wave 4 in the previous video. And it's between 1897 and 1976. So the idea was for wave 4 to get into this area. We're on a good way. We might actually get there. 1897 will be first resistance. If we break it, then 1941 will be the next target. And that's actually the most common target for a fourth wave, as you might know. And then we should head down in a fifth wave afterwards to do one more low in this larger A wave of the overall ABC structure here in this wave 2. So the idea is after this wave 1 to form a wave 2 and then to move up in a third wave. I did highlight a few things in previous videos that if the A wave goes significantly below the 50% retracement at 1754, I would get a bit more concerned about a bearish scenario. And if the C wave eventually goes below 1533, I would also get more concerned about a bearish scenario. There will be one more bullish scenario left if we break below 1533. Now, if we break above 1976, then probably something more bullish is going on. Maybe we will be in the B wave already by then. But for now, my interpretation is that this here is a fourth wave because on a Saturday, there's often a fourth wave. It's typically boring, a little bit of a recovery. No problem. Now, I had a question in the previous video if this wave 2 here is invalid because it goes above the beginning of the wave 1. Yeah, it would be, but it's not going above the beginning of the wave 1. So that's fine. The wave 2 actually does or did what a wave 2 is supposed to be doing. So that's all fine. And yeah, at the moment, obviously, we're looking here at this wave 4, which is typically either a triangle, but this looks more like a more traditional or classical ABC structure. So here the A wave, the B wave, and now the C wave in the wave 4. And if this is the case, it looks like a zigzag pattern. And if it's a zigzag, then we can use the Fibonacci extension tool to calculate a target for the C wave. We take for that the 1-to-1 ratio as a first target. We actually reached that 1883, so certainly a level to watch. We can see we were rejected already. Next target would be 1907. So from that point of view, I mean, this can always morph into a larger ABC structure, yeah. But for now, this is a level to watch. Maybe we turn around already, but it would be quite a weak wave 4. My view would be that we get a little bit more of an extended wave 4, ideally to 1941. If not to 1941, then at least to 1897. Yeah, so you've got the resistances. Resistances are not necessarily targets. The targets you get from using the Fibonacci extensions. And then we should get one more wave down in this A wave. And after that, the B wave recovery rally, relief rally, basically a fake out, and then a C wave down. That's sort of what makes sense at the moment, what I think is the most reasonable interpretation in an alternative. This was a B wave top here on Sunday, the 16th of April, and we're coming down in a C wave, and the move down will be impulsive. So it will be more bearish, and we would eventually make a new bear market low, but it's too early to really confirm that. Yeah, and that's everything really. I mean, why I think that we are due a bounce anyway, as explained, is that we have had on the 4-hour chart the oversold reading on the relative strength index. That oftentimes happens here, especially a strong reading happens in a third wave. As you can see, this here was labeled as a third wave. Therefore, it confirms our wave count for now. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.